Hi, my name is Ariana Faircloth, and the topic that I picked today for the bio presentation was brown algae, as you can see. So let's get started. Okay, sorry. Okay, today, what is brown algae? The brown algae is classified in the I don't even know how to say that class. Sorry, I'm a little sick right now. Which is a large group of multicellular algae. Brown algae are algal species characterized by being multicellular and having brown or greenish brown color. As you can see, I input a photo right here that kind of represents the brown and the greenish color. Most brown algae live in marine environments where they play an important role both as food and as potential habitat. So as you can see, that's like in the Now, let's talk about the specific structure. As you can see, it has things listed, the blades, float, thalius, stipe, hold fast. It's a different one. Same thing, it's just I wanted to add pictures so you can see. So the thalius, as you can see right here, is a seaweed body that is plant-like but lacks true roots, stems, and leaves. And as you can see, the hold fast at the bottom of both these it anchors the algae on the ground, so right here at the bottom. And the stipe, it's a stem-like structure that supports blades. This is stipe, obviously. And then the blades right here, like the leaf-like. The leaf-like structure that provides most of the surface for photosynthesis. Some types of brown algae are equipped with a flotation device that keeps the blades near the surface of the water. So when you do see algae, as you can see, this is what you see on top of the surface of the water. Now, some types of seaweed are having cell walls made of cellulose and gel forming, I don't even know how to say that word, placeritis that protect them from the waves and give them a slimy feeling. So if you've ever touched algae, for example, you know it's slimy stuff. Now, as you can see, to summarize, the structure of the brown algae has most of them have thalli that are well different into holdfast type and the blade. And then the bladers is a gas-filled structure found on larger blades of brown algae and used to help buoy the blade and maximize light, as you can see. Now, next is the reproduction of brown algae. As you can see, this is a pretty descriptive photo that I put right here. But the brown algae reproduces by the means of flagellated spores and gametes. There are two stages brown algae exist in. First, as spores, which are released from the parent as male or female plants that will make sperm or eggs, and these fertilize to form the second stage as a mature plant. So as you can see, it starts from right here, sexual reproduction, and then it just has the unicellular form, which is A, meiosis occurs, which is B, and then the mitotic division, which is right here, which is multiple of cells right there. Haploid Macy's spores is released, which is B right there, and then E, these haploids are released, and then it goes to yeah, so it goes right here, and then it goes into two different parts right here. So there's gamephytes right there. So it splits into two, which is F, and then these are the gametes right here, and then it goes into the gametes fuse, which is G. H, zygote right there, and then I is the new sporophyte plant. And then it grows into new sporophytes, as you can see, which is this right here is all asexual reproduction. And then there is the diploid spores, and then the diploid sporophyte may produce a prolicular sperm. As you can see, I think all of this occurs. All of this occurs in the brown algae, and that's how they are produced. Now, some interesting facts is that brown algae is considered to be harmless to fish. It won't kill them, and brown algae could leave fish healthier than ever, actually. Uh, the diatoms that make up brown algae actually consume CO2. It can release pure oxygen, which increases the dissolved oxygen levels in your tank. You can see I kind of put a little picture right there. You can probably see the brown algae on the little castle-like structure right there. Think. According to some medical research, several chemicals found in brown algae can work as I can't speak right now, antioxidants, which are thought to prevent damage to the human body. Brown algae can also be used as a cancer suppressant as well as an anti-inflammatory and immunity booster, which I personally didn't know as well, so that is interesting. And more interesting facts is that brown algae provides not only food and commercial utility, they also provide a valuable habitat for certain species of marine life and significantly offset carbon dioxide emissions through the photosynthesis processes of certain populous species of kelp. Over time, nitrate can start to build up in near water if it's not removed by water changes. Brown algae loves to eat nitrate, so nitrate in it. A little photo right there with the seal with the algae water. And then this is the references, and that is all for today. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.